So, a warm good afternoon to all of you. There is a saying which says, if you want the rainbow, you have to deal with the rain. Right? How many of us want great life? How many of you want great life? Every one of us. Who doesn't want? Everyone want a great life. In the pursuit of aspiring for great life, what it takes is different kind of experiences, learnings, and keep on changing the course of action such that you live happily. Most important thing is that you have to understand in what kind of situation you are. What can you do to make your life better? Because nothing in life happens because of serendipity. It happens with the calculated risk in the stepwise manner to achieve your purpose or the goal of your life. There is nothing which I am going to talk in terms of some great formulas which you are listening A, B, C, D, E, F, G, but my small experiences from last couple of years which I follow, and I believe because of following this I have definitely achieved success in my life. But it is a course. It is not going to end. It has not started. It is the entire journey which has to be followed with it. So that made me think, if I can be benefited out of it, why not pass this message to my fellow friends? So here you are when I am going to talk about something which is called A, B, C, D, E, F, G. G. What we want is great life. So it ends at G. Actually, it doesn't end. It starts from G. But G is a milestone. So what it is, we'll discuss, we'll talk. What happened, the story goes back to around 5 years ago. I work into sales. I work for a company which deals into contact lenses. The name of the company is Alcon Laboratories. I was there to make call of a customer. When we visit in sales to any customer, it is called making calls. When I went there, I was discussing certain thing about my product, the features and the benefits with the owner of that organization where I was there to make call. After some time, I could observe there was a saint sitting in his shop or the organization where I was. After my discussions, the business discussions got over, that great saint told something which I caught, and there was beginning of a conversation. And it went for almost 2.5 hours. What we were discussing is about Bhagavad Gita. So, because I also am a lover of Bhagavad Gita, so he told me to come to a place where he belongs to. That is Hare Krishna Mandir, Bhadas, in Ahmedabad. So I said, okay, I promised him, but I forgot. And I said that, he said, when will you come? I said, whenever you say. He said, come tomorrow morning at 4:30 for a Mangala Aarti. I said, okay, I'll come. But as usual, the day got over, I just forgot. You will not believe, he called me next morning at 4:30 and asked, Mr. Jha, where are you? You were supposed to be there in the temple. I said, oh, I'm really sorry. I'll come in just half an hour. I got ready. I rushed and I reached there almost in half an hour. So just Aarti was about to begin, I reached there. After that, we went in the lawn. He was very, he felt there is something inside me and he wanted to discuss with me. So he gave me certain thing, some ideas. Based on that, I added certain thing of my mind and I made a formula for my life, which I am following. So the credit goes to that man. At the same time, I have also worked on that. So what it is? So it starts with A, the alphabet A. So what I am going to discuss is nothing but A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Each alphabet means something, a word. And if we follow that alphabet, it will help us grow in our life. So let us discuss about the first alphabet, that is A. Any idea what could be A for a great life? What word? Some guesses? A, okay.
Acceptance.
Acceptance.
Attitude.
Attitude. Wow, good words. Nice words. More?
Apology.
Apology. Okay. So here A means associate. Associate. What does it mean? What does it mean? Association. What is the meaning of association? Anybody?
Collaboration. Positive.
Collaboration. Perfect. Anything else? When we want to grow in our life, we have to associate ourselves with the right kind of people. Because people are the biggest resources in our life. There was a study conducted at Harvard Business School on psychology, and it has been found that around 95% of your success is determined by the kind of people you spend your time with. It can change, it can make your life, or it can break your life. So if you want to grow in your life, you have to have association with right people. The kind of company you have that decides that what you will become. That is why the great thinker Jim Rohn said, you are the sum total of 5 people you spend most of your time with. Any ideas around association? Some thoughts coming from anybody? Jaspreet?
You should associate the people where you aspire to be, and that association may not be physical. Sometimes the association could be through the books, through the ideologies, through internet also.
Perfect, great thoughts.
Yes.
Anything to Master Bilwa?
I think when people say that you should associate yourself with the right kind of people, what actually it is meant is that you need to spend time with people whom your wavelengths match, and you can learn how to grow. Like if I were to give an example, if you spend most of your time whining about things, there's traffic, pollution, the maid doesn't come at home on time, and so on and so forth, then you will be filled with a lot of negativity, and that will in a way bog you down. But if you spend your time with people who are positive in their outlook, who accept things the way they are, who accept you the way they are, and not be judgmental about it, then you yourself will feel that your spirits are uplifting.
Perfect, perfect.
So
Master Harsh will tell you.
Yes, but he told it very perfectly. But the thing is, to live in that environment is real challenge. 90% of people are not like our average 5 people which we want to be. So I think the best way is this Toastmasters, reading books, or some such associations where we can meet weekly, right? So I could literally say an average of the 5 persons sitting here as at least for once a week. So that's the best way. We can have some association, we can have some routine where we read some good thought leaders whom we want to be like. So that's the best way we can do. We can't change our clients, our vendors, our staff, right?
Exactly.
If we have factory, we will be having some laborers and all that, and we have to.
Yeah, you have to deal with thousands of people.
Yes, and we have to be also part of such group.
negativity is everywhere.
Yes.
You are telling
Yeah, I
something?
just wanted to add to everyone what they say. In Hindi, Jaisi Sangat, Vaisi Rangat. So if you have a good association, your life will be that way.
Exactly. So if you want to become, you were telling something? If you want to become public speakers, you have to associate with public speakers. If you want to become business owners, entrepreneurs, you have to associate with. If you want to become a good cricket player, go and play, associate with cricketers. You cannot be in the association of singers and you become cricketer. That's not possible. Right? Right? Because bat is not piano or violin. You have to go and play. So that's all. But then you also have to use some kind of filters. So what kind of person, what kind of people you can be open, you can become open with, or you can discuss your ideas with. So how we can associate with more number of people, or good people? How do we filter? Obviously, there are many ways. First of all, put that filter. Exactly. If you want to become public speaker, you want to associate with good speaker. For example, taking a small example, if I want to develop my public speaking skills, like Toastmaster KP, like Toastmaster Preeti, like Toastmaster, take some example, like Toastmaster Nitish Agarwal, then I have to Toastmaster Hers, Toastmaster everybody. So then I have
Toastmaster everybody.
I have to get in the company of
Correct.
these people. There are many ways. You can call them, you can fix an appointment. You have to show that interest that you want to do that. If I want to become an entrepreneur, there is a venue. Go and join BNI, where you will have so many individuals pursuing the same goal. Like Toastmaster Kinjal is associated with BNI probably, right? So there are avenues. LinkedIn is there. LinkedIn, you will find thousands of people of similar nature. Go connect with them, try to write a mail to them. So we can associate. So let's take an oath that we all associate with good people. But do not forget to come to this meeting. Because this is the best place to associate with good people like. I have also brought a sheet which can help you to write certain points, notes if you want from this, and you can write some learnings which can help you.
Okay.
So alphabets, you can write A for associate first, and then you can put some remarks. You can also rate yourself that how good you are in terms of associating with people. If you think there is some scope of, rate yourself in the number from 1 to 10. If you think you are very good in terms of associating with people, good. If you think this skill can further be developed, put 6, 7, whatever you want. This is for you. You are not going to give it to me, just for your reference, right? So the second alphabet, should we move on to? But before that, because it is a Toastmaster meeting. So in any Toastmasters meeting, we have 3 segments: prepared speeches, table topics, and the better listening part of the meeting, that is evaluations. So before beginning with prepared speeches, it's my duty to call upon general evaluator for today's meeting. In today's meeting, the meeting will be evaluated in generally by someone who is basically a computer engineer but an entrepreneur currently pursuing his roofing business. He is also an aspiring public speaker who want to help people to grow in terms of health, wealth and relationships, to bring happiness in their life. He loves reading books and he also try to associate with good people. So let's, with big round of applause, welcome Toastmaster Hers as the general evaluator.
Thank you so much for such a wonderful introduction.